Take a look at this home here. It's one of many that was left with heavy damage along Palmetto Drive in Indian River Estates. You can see the debris that pierced through the side of this home during that tornado. This house belongs to a couple, Mark and Kim Kane. As they continue to clean up, they reflect on the terrifying moments when they took shelter and waited for the tornado to pass, what they call the longest 10 seconds of their lives.
She made it to our closet. I did not make it all the way. I grabbed onto her dresser and held, and the thing took my breath away. And I felt like I was weightless for a few seconds.
The Kane's yard is now full of debris and fallen trees. Their screened-in patio destroyed, and the worst of the damage is to their roof. Much of it caved in or flew off.
It's very emotional. It's very heartbreaking. We built this house 31 years ago, and there's a lot of memories.
They say they're grateful to their family and friends that have helped them clean up over the last several days. Now they're gearing up for the long road to recovery. Reporting in St. Lucie County, Cassandra Garcia, back to you.